This challenge is called regular expressions number 3. If you're not familiar yet with regular expressions in JavaScript, I recommend you go back on my playlists and look at my other 2 videos because we had number 1 and number 2. In those previous videos, I introduced you to the regular expression objects in JavaScript, which is this one. You can read more about this on MDN. And in this one, we're also going to explore the global flag, which is this thing here, but you can also have it as a second argument to the regular expression constructor to indicate that you want to work on all matches. So here in the description, they say the G flag indicates that the regular expression should be tested against all possible matches in a string. So we're going to use that. Just keep this in mind. Let's look at the task here. It says we need to complete this function by returning a regular expression object, which is this one here, that matches every integer in a string called s. In my text editor, I've already solved this challenge. I'm creating this variable called re for regular expression. Then I'm using the regexp constructor with a new keyword to create a new regular expression object. In between parentheses for my arguments, I have the 2 forward slashes to indicate my pattern. And in here, I'm using the digits token, which is \d and the plus symbol, meaning that I can have 1 or more digits. So if I have a number like 100, that is 3 digits. So we have digits 1 or more times, in this case, 3 times. But if I have a long string with digits, commas, and so on, I want to match all the digits in that string and not just in the first sequence. So now I have the G flag to say that I want to match all the digits. So let's run this code. And while this is processing, let's look at the sample input here. They have 102, comma, this long number, and then they have the word ends, and then they have these 2 digits separated by a period or a dot, and then they have other non-digits characters. In here, you can see that we were able to match all the digits from that string, and we got 102, this one here, and then we got 1 and 3 for 1.3, and we got 4 and 5 for 4.5. If I plug my pattern from here in regex101.com and I add this G flag here, it's the same thing as what I explained. \d matches any digits from 0 to 9. The plus symbol will match the previous token 1 or more times. And the G modifier or the G flag, which stands for global, will work on all the matches and not just the first one. I think I can submit this now. And yep, that's it. We've passed all the 3 test cases. So that's it for regular expressions in this JavaScript series. If you like my solution, please subscribe to my channel and I'll catch you next time.